Namaste. My name is Devian Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today's topic is Uses and Gratifications Theory. यानी कि आज के इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम जिस थ्योरी की बात करेंगे उसका नाम है यूजेस एंड ग्रेटिफिकेशंस थ्योरी। तो आइए हम बात करते हैं कि ये जो थ्योरी है यह किस तरह से काम करता है, इसमें क्या कुछ कहा गया है। यूजेस एंड ग्रेटिफिकेशन थ्योरी इज़ एन अप्रोच टू अंडरस्टैंडिंग why and how people actively seek out a specific media to satisfy a specific needs. Uses and gratification theory is an audience-centered approach to understanding mass communication, diverging from other media effect theories that question what does media do to people. यानी कि मीडिया जो है वह लोगों के साथ क्या करता है। यूजेस एंड ग्रेटिफिकेशन थ्योरी फोकसेस ऑन व्हाट डू पीपल डू विद मीडिया। इट postulates and media is a highly available product and the audiences are the consumers of the same product. This communication theory is positivistic in its approach, based in the socio-psychological communication tradition, and focuses on communication at the mass media scale. The driving question of UGT means uses and gratification theory is why do people use media and what do they use them for. UGT discusses how users deliberately choose media that will satisfy given needs and allow one to enhance knowledge, relaxation, social interactions, companionship, diversion, or escape. It assumes that audience members are not passive consumers of media. Rather, the audience has power over their media consumption and assumes an active role in interpreting and integrating media into their own lives. Unlike other theoretical perspectives, UGT means uses and gratification theory holds that audiences are responsible for choosing media to meet their desires and needs to achieve gratification. This theory would then imply that the media compete against other information sources for viewers' gratification. UGT has a heuristic value today because it gives communication scholars a perspective through which a number of ideas and theories about media choice, consumption, and even impact can be viewed. यूजेस एंड ग्रेटिफिकेशन थ्योरी का अप्रोच क्या है, थोड़ा इसकी बात करते हैं। मार्क लेवी एंड स्वेन विंडहाल प्रोवाइड अ गुड डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ what it means to be an active consumer of media, as commonly understood by gratifications researchers. The term audience activity postulates a voluntaristic and selective orientation by audiences toward the communication process. In brief, It suggests that media use is motivated by needs and goals that are defined by audience members themselves, and that active participation in the communication process may facilitate, limit, or otherwise influence the gratifications and effects associated with exposure. Current thinking also suggests that audience activity is best conceptualized as a variable construct with audiences exhibiting varying kinds and degrees of activity. Assumption of the theory. Unlike other theories concerning media consumption, UGT यानी कि uses and gratification theory gives the consumer power to discern what media they consume, with the assumption that the consumer has a clear intent and use. This contradicts previous theories such as mass society theory that states that people are helpless victims of mass media produced by large campaigns and individual differences perspective, which states that intelligence and self-esteem largely drive an individual's media choice. Thank you.